Welcome! Today I am with GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. You have to open the Play Store simply by tapping. Next, tap on the right upper corner, click right here and click to add another account. Right now input verification method. Tap right here and input your new account. Click next and enter your password. Right now click next. Tap agree. As you can see right now, when we tap on the right upper corner in the Play Store, okay, it's some kind of the bug. Let's open it another time. Be patient. And as you can see right now, when we tap on the right upper corner and tap on this arrow, we are logged in with two accounts at the same time, and we can easily switch between them by choosing and tapping on one of the account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.